How to sell real estate faster using new technologies. Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you about a secret tool that helps realtors and developers speed up sales and attract more buyers. It's style switching in 360 tours powered by artificial intelligence. And the best part? You can get 35% off your first order with the promo code GETSTART. What is this technology? With Getfloorplan, you can now showcase the same property in 3 different styles with just one click. Imagine your client being able to instantly switch between different finishes, furniture, and color schemes to see how their future home might look in various interiors. Why is this important for sales? Let's be honest. Most buyers find it difficult to visualize how a space will look after renovations or with different furniture. That's why this feature is a game changer. Buyers spend more time exploring. They engage with the property longer by reviewing different styles. Faster decision-making. No need to guess how the space will look. Everything is visible right away. The property attracts a wider audience. Different styles appeal to buyers with different tastes. Who benefits the most? This tool is perfect for realtors, developers, and property investors who want to highlight their listings and help clients make faster decisions. Ready to try it? Take the first step and get 35% off your first order with the promo code GETSTART. Order a 360 tour with multiple design styles and impress your clients in just 24 hours.